This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing what WES needs so nothing stalls. Create your WES account and copy your reference number. Once done, select course by course versus document by document depending on your goals. Then request official sealed transcripts from each institution and arrange certified translations where records aren't in English. Make sure senders use WES's exact recipient details. Doing these first steps correctly avoids delays and speeds verification, because WES requires originals from institutions rather than copies from you. Once requests are in motion, upload any scanned forms WES allows to link documents to your file. Meanwhile, have each institution mail sealed transcripts directly to WES with your reference number on the envelope or cover letter. Track progress in your WES dashboard. Status updates move from received to in progress to verified. During this phase, WES may contact you for clarifications. Respond promptly to expedite processing, because verifications are the most time-consuming step and often require back and forth. When WES finishes, download the official evaluation PDF and keep backups in at least 2 secure places. Use WES's electronic delivery or send the official document to employers, schools, or licensing bodies as needed. Make sure the report matches your expectations. If grades, credential names, or equivalencies look wrong, open a case immediately. If processing stalls, contact WES support with your reference number. List the missing documents and ask for specific next steps. This targeted inquiry clears common bottlenecks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.